Okay, I'm going to continue with this this knuckle right here. I'm gonna put it on. I'll be right back. Okay, right now we're gonna tighten up the shock shock bolts over here. We're gonna tighten them so we can get everything going now. So this is done. Now I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna show you in the bottom how everything is done over there. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm gonna put this inside here because it belongs right there, and then I'll put the bolt that belongs to it right there. Right there, like that. There you go. It's there now. Let me put the bolt there. There, like that. Then this one goes over here like this. Goes over there like that. Like that. Like that. And then you put this one on. Put this on this bolt right here. That bolt. Put this bolt right here. This one right there to tighten up the knuckle onto it. And this one is it's a fitting right here. There. Okay. Let me see. This could do it. This one. Oh yeah. That one goes like that. Yes. The back is at 13. This ratchet right here. This ratchet is at 13 or 1/2. So 1/2 is perfectly fine. For it to go like that. Okay. Okay. Right there. Now it's tied up. I got tied up now. Now it's time to slide this. It's time to slide the axle onto it. There. Now the axle is in. The axle is in. Now gonna put the knuckle. Gonna put this knuckle into this hole right here. That's gonna go like this. Like this. Right there, like that. slide in. Slide in. So I was able to put the knuckle back in. I put it in. Now I'm tying it up over here from the back, if you see. And I put the axle. The axle also went in as well. So the axle and the knuckle went in all the way in completely. This says 65 pounds. I'm not sure, you know. But not right now so far yet. So this goes right here. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna tighten it and then I'll be right back. I'll show you how to do the brake, to put the brakes back on. Okay, we got this. Now I'm gonna put the linkage on it. I put the linkage on it like this. This right here like this. I had to take it off before because it was not working. Like that. Now the brakes go over here. These are the brakes. This goes to the top like this, right here like this, like that. This to the bottom, goes to the bottom. Like that. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of moist on them without put a little bit of moist on them without getting the disc. Now I put the brace back on. So this one goes right here. This one is number one. This one goes right here like this. Number two goes right here like this. Like that. There you go. Now we got the brakes now. Now I'll put this brake now over here. Watch and see. I'll put this brake right here. Put this brake right here. Gotta untie it from over there because it was a mess. This one goes right here like this. Right there like that. Like that. And this one goes right here like this. But bring this in first. this one. Oh, okay. These bolts go in the caliper to secure the caliper right there. Now the caliper is secure right there. This $14 right there. It's secure now. Secure right there. And this one over here at the bottom. So 14 brake secure. I'm gonna secure this one right here. I think that's a 14 too. Oh yeah, it's a 14. Very lucky. I am so lucky to know that it's a 14 right there. Look at this. You see? It's a 14. Thank God. We know it's a 14. Thank God it's a 14. Thank God we know about it. Like that. It's by hand because I don't. My machine is over there, but it's too much of a hassle to try to set it up. There you go. Right there. It's tied up now. We're gonna do this one over here. Right here. Oh God, it won't go in either. Okay. This one is a 32. This one goes right here like this. To be tied up. Ready to go. Like that. Like that. And so that's a 32. I'm gonna tie this up, and I'm gonna tie this up right here, this one, to 64 pounds. Then I'm gonna put my tie rod right now. I could put my tie rod right now because that's the end. So I put my tie rod right now right here. So I'm gonna tie them up. I'm gonna tie this one, this one in the bottom, this one in top is also already tied up. I'll tie this one. I'm gonna tie this one, and I'm gonna tie up my what's it called? I'm gonna tie up my ball joint. I'm gonna tie up my ball joint right there. This ball joint right here. I'm gonna tie it up So I'll be right back. I'll show you when it's done. Okay, thank you. And that was the end of it. I fix this. It's tied up. This is the tie rod right there. Did you see it? That's the tie rod right there. Turn on the camera a little bit. Tie rod right there. The nickel. The shock, brand new shock. The linkage for the sway bar and linkage right here. So the brand new linkage also. Brand new tie rod. The nickel got put back on. The axle got put back on. Right here is the axle put back on right there. The brakes got put back on, and that was it. It's just getting ready to put the. I'm just getting ready to put the tire back on. I'm not gonna show you. I'm not gonna show you how to put the tire back on because it's under the car, and I'm gonna have to take it out of the car yet. So I'm gonna take it out of the car, and I'm gonna put it on, and then I'll show you. Okay. All right. Thank you.